What up, what up, what up, good people? It is Nicolasa, and today is Tuesday, the 29th of August. And I have in front of me my box that I've been waiting for since Saturday. And I'm a little irritated with the post office, but either way, she's here now. I do want to share this with you. This is my latest Poshmark purchase. I'm normally not on Poshmark, but I was on Poshmark, take my glasses off, trying to put my No AGM for sale, and I saw this baby. I was like, I have no makeup on, I have a bump, I'm mad at the guy. I was all ready yesterday, okay? Anyway, I was surfing Poshmark, and I found this lovely baby, and I normally do not shop on there. I'm normally not on there, but I saw it. The price was right. I was like, give it to me. You guys know that I love, love, love the Delightful. It was one of my favorite bags along with the Noe from Louis Vuitton. It was cheap. Well, no, not cheap. It was a decent price. And the reason why it was a decent price is because it has wear on the interior. Smells a little. It has wear on the interior, and I'm going to clean that. I'm not concerned about that. So I have all of my stuff ready along with my Delightful. I have my little fur charm from Amazon that I did order. And then I also have a charm that I actually made myself. And then I have a scarf. My scarf is the limited edition Louis Vuitton. I don't even know what this is. It just has red in it. This one is not authentic. I got this from Macari, and I think I forgot what I paid for this, but I know it's not authentic because the real ones are like a lot of money. So I definitely know that. Let's light my candle. All right, let's get into it, okay? And I'm not going to divert too much because I know when I go to videos, I like to see what I'm there for. So this candle relaxes me. So I'll just put that on. And I'm also drinking, I'm drinking my chocolate wine. This is chocolate and espresso and red wine. Okay. All right. Got my hair retwisted yesterday. I'm ready for y'all, but I was ready for y'all yesterday. All right. This is the Delightful M&M. Ooh. Of course, anything over the $500 threshold goes through Posh Authenticate. So this has been authenticated. I did wait and wait and wait for that. And then I had to turn around and wait for the delivery service because they were screwing around since Saturday. And I was just more concerned about the item sitting in the truck for that long because, yeah, it's a whole long story. Because I'm in Texas, okay? So things can melt, literally, in the truck, okay? All right, so you've got your, your, whatever this is, okay, folks? And it's a little worn, as you can see. It's a lot worn, really, which is probably why she sold it for less as well. Not worried about it. You want to know why I'm not worried about it? I'm going to use this on it. I did pick this up from Hobby Lobby. And when I was in there, the girl was telling me that she likes this and that she's used it before. I'm going to see if it works. I've never used it before. I'm going to see if it works, and if it does, great. I am actually not going to do it right on my LV to begin with. I'm actually going to put it on something else to see if it works first, and then I will put it on my LV. And the interior is dirty. Now, here's why I don't care about the interior being dirty. One, I'm going to clean it. Two, I'm going to get the stains out because I am. Two, I have a bag organizer from Samani. And so I'm going to go ahead and put this in. And so even if it doesn't come 100% clean, I still have my organizer, so I'm totally not worried about it. All right, I am going to clean the interior with this. Okay, I used to use Ivory soap. I've been having a problem finding Ivory in the store. So I just picked up this Dawn Power Wash. And notice that it is dye free. and it has a light pear scent, so that's good. You don't want to get anything that is color, because especially if you have a light colored interior, you can have color transfer like that. The bag is gorgeous. All right, let's talk, but look at those stains and look at that ink. I'm going to clean the ink with Amodex, which is my stain, ink remover. So I'm going to do that. This was made in the USA, so there's the tag for made in USA. That's kind of fading a little bit. Looks like this was carried as an everyday, all year round purse. And I'm not trying to be funny, that's probably what she carried it for. Date code on the interior in the zipper pocket there. The reason that I don't really care for the Damier Ebene print, the other two prints are my favorite, which is the monogram and the Damier Azur, is because with the Damier Ebene, you get these black marks. You see the black marks? I think there's a black undertone to the print, and so that's why. But I wanted this for the winter because it has the finished leather. It's going to be a nice winter bag. I'm not going to worry about the Keta. I have 2 small kids. They're not that small. They're 7 and 5, but and 2 adult children as well. But I'm not going to worry about any wear because it won't be getting any. Right? It's already finished. I do not like the I do have a little crack in my finish here, like a little wear, as you can see. And this is my first time filming on my iPad mini, so hopefully the quality is good. I don't care about that. I might get the trim replaced at some point. So I'm not concerned about that, although that wasn't mentioned. Okay. I forgot what I was saying. I really did. I like the Delightful because unlike the Graceful, which is the replacement for the Delightful, it actually comes up and tapers in essence. I don't like it. I actually like the Delightful. The Delightful is not available today. If you want to get the Delightful, you're going to have to get the Graceful. In addition, if you want the Delightful, you're going to have to get this print or the Damier Azur because the the monogram peels. I've had it twice, and both times the actual finish on the bag peels. I'm probably going to have to Instagram that because you'll never be able to get it, and this is my favorite. The MM size is a little big for me, just a tad. I really am okay with the PM size, but because of this price and because of the availability, I took it. Now, this is my Instagram. This is not mine. This is for a client of mine. And as you can see, unlike the Delightful here, so this is not the real deal. It's still, as you can see, it tapers and kind of crunches here or becomes smaller here, and it's wrapped around the loop. I don't like that. I like just the plain, open, slouchy looking bag. And if you notice, these are both MMs, right? Now, even though this is not authentic, look how much bigger the non-authentic one is. Like, it's huge. It's taller. It's bigger. It's just, it overpowers you, even me, and I'm not like small or anything. So, I don't like the Graceful, okay? Again, whether it's authentic or not, I just don't care for the style. And it's got the little tab on the outside and like so. And this is from my Instagram seller. And that's for somebody else. That's not mine. So anyhow, I'm going to come back with her cleaned up, polished. I'm going to get all of this residue off of there. And then when I come back, I'm going to show you the interior, how she was cleaned on the interior as well. Okay? You guys, I'm excited about my fall bag. Please like, subscribe, comment down below. Let me know what you want to see me do. Happy Tuesday.